In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable pop-ups in Google Chrome so you can browse with fewer interruptions and stop those annoying pop-up windows from appearing on your screen. This is a simple setting, but it can make a huge difference if you want a cleaner, safer, and smoother browsing experience. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. This is where you'll find Chrome's main settings and tools. From the drop-down menu, click Settings. That will open the main Chrome settings page. Next, on the left-hand side, click Privacy and Security. This section controls a lot of the important safety and browsing options in Chrome. Now click Site Settings. This is the area where Chrome manages permissions for websites, including things like notifications, location, camera access, and pop-ups. After that, scroll down until you find the pop-ups and redirects, then click it. This is the exact setting you need to control whether websites can open pop-up windows or send you to unwanted pages. Once you're inside, select Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. This option will block most unwanted pop-ups automatically and help protect you from distracting ads and sketchy website behavior. After you choose that setting, you can simply close the tab or window. Chrome saves the change automatically, so there's nothing else you need to do. From now on, most pop-ups will be blocked as you browse, which means a cleaner and more secure experience overall. If you ever need to allow pop-ups for a trusted website, you can always come back to the same menu and adjust the setting later. But for most people, keeping pop-ups blocked is the best choice. So that's how to disable pop-ups in Google Chrome in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and useful browser tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.